All right, welcome back to Australian Car Audio. Today I've got Rod from Vueroid with us. We're going to cover dash cams, DVRs, that kind of thing. So I'll hand it over. Rod, give us a bit of a background on yourself and Vueroid.
G'day Trav. So I've been in the automotive aftermarket industry for about 45 years now, predominantly as a technical person, installer and importer. We're now very proud to be importing the Vueroid range of products from South Korea. It is in the higher end of the market. So the product is reasonably new on the Australian market. It's not new overseas. The product's manufactured by a Korean company called NC&Co. They are the largest manufacturer of dash cams in South Korea that most people have never heard of. They are bigger than all of the other companies. In the past, they've been manufacturing for other people, and now they've decided to put their best technology on the market in the Vueroid brand.
So what's really cool is Rod's engaged us to be the sales distribution for Vueroid in the Australian market. So be sure to hit us up on all our socials if you've got any questions or you want to use some of this content. Now, when it comes to a dash cam, what is a dash cam and why do people want dash cams?
So there's four main reasons people buy dash cams. The first reason is, obvious one, if you have a car accident and it's not your fault, it's documentary evidence to that effect. Insurance fraud, which we are seeing unfortunately more and more on our roads, and also road rage, which we're also unfortunately seeing more and more on our roads. The secondary reason that people buy dash cams is for parking damage. So you go to Woolies, you're in their supermarket for half an hour, you come out and some twit's reversed into your car.
We've all been there.
Everyone's been there, it's happened in my family.
Now, extending on from that, we also offer a range of Energy Well batteries. Now, those batteries are going to enhance the length of your parking mode, I suppose you would say, or your recording offline, so the car's not running. We'll cover those in other videos and around, but we'll have a bit of a sticky into today's hot topic, and that's going to be our new S1 series from Vueroid. Now, we've got the S1 in two formats. Currently, we're going to put a big emphasis on the 4K model. We're actually going to do a bit of an install here in this chute behind us after this. So tell us about the S1-4K.
Okay, so S1-4K is probably one of the highest spec dash cams on the Australian market at the moment. It's Sony Starvis 2 based. The front camera is capable of 4K video at 60 frames per second, so that means not as much motion blurring. Most of the cameras on the market here, even the high-end Korean ones, are only capable of 30 frames per second. The camera is a hybrid design, whereas it comes with a traditional small body, but it also has a small screen, so that quick adjustments can be made on the fly, quick reviews can be made very, very quickly. The unit is a 3-channel unit, and most of the dash cams sold, even the high-end Korean dash cams on the market, are 2-channel. Now, with the 3rd channel, it gives us a lot of flexibility. So obviously there is the 4K front camera, then there is a 2K rear camera, which in a sedan would go on the rear window, obviously.
And that's how you're going to buy it in this kit here. It's going to come with your front camera and rear camera.
Correct.
And that 3rd channel?
So the 3rd channel, you've got a choice of two cameras if you want to add. One is a waterproof rear, and the other is an internal infrared. Now, internal infrareds became popular with the likes of Uber drivers and taxi drivers for personal safety, so that whatever was going on inside the vehicle was being recorded. More importantly, what we're finding now is in other markets, and we're starting to see it here, is that the internal infrared camera, which sits in front of the driver, can be used to record documentary evidence when you go under a gantry that records if you're wearing a seatbelt. If it ever came to pass that you were accused of not wearing a seatbelt, you can prove you were. The other thing that people are doing is recording events outside the vehicle. So this could be a road rage incident. It could be an interaction with law enforcement.
Seriously? Put your gun down, really?
But more commonly, what we're finding is that when people are involved in an accident, and I'll give you an example. A young lady was driving down the road, car pulled out of a driveway, and she hit the car. The driver came to the driver's window. He's very, very apologetic, saying, look, it's my fault, I didn't see you, rah, rah, rah. And then a couple of days later, she got notified that the driver had accused her of speeding, and it wasn't my fault, and you're on me so quick. So if change their tune, and this happens all the time. So That third camera can provide that sort of evidence. So we are starting to see the adoption of that a lot more in the dash cam market.
We've also, as he mentioned, the waterproof or external camera. That
Yes.
guy can be substituted for the rear, or it can be added to the 3-channel kit. That's handy if you've got a twin cab ute or even a ute with a canopy on the back, or you even want to put it on the back of a caravan. We've got extensions there. So that external camera can be used in more than one application as well.
Yeah. For example, on the ute here, we'd have the front camera on the windscreen. We could have the internal infrared on the windscreen. We could have at the back, I could have a normal camera on the rear glass, or I could have a 4K camera at the front. I could have a rear camera on the glass and a waterproof at the rear of the vehicle. So having that third channel gives you a lot of options when it comes to installation.
Hugely flexible for your safety. And we know that Safety Trav likes safety. One of the other things I want to point out is, what is the advantage of Vueroid? What have they got, or what are they leading in the market? Obviously it's that 4K at 60 frames a second. How do they go with these new cybersecurity laws in Australia?
Okay, so cybersecurity laws were brought in March of 2026 by the Department of Homeland Security. The purpose of this new legislation is that all Wi-Fi connected devices that have potential internet connection must be secure. Now, at the moment, very few of the manufacturers in Australia are compliant, and Vueroid is fully compliant with the new legislation. So traditionally, dash cams would have a password, 1 to 8 or something like that. On the new systems, that password's been done away with. This unit features a Bluetooth connection, and it's a simple matter of, with your mobile phone, you tell the app to find the dash cam, you find the dash cam, it asks you if you want to connect, and when you tap yes, it just asks you to press the blue button on the front of the camera, and that's it, it's done. It's a totally secure Bluetooth connection. I believe it's the only dashcam technology available at the moment that is using a combination of Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. The other advantage of that, of course, is we have much more increased bandwidth between the mobile phone and the camera.
Now don't forget to jump on our site there at Australian Car Audio. You can get all our Viewoid products. You can also get fuse taps, which are handy for the installation. You'll be able to get our Energy Well battery backup. Rod here's done us a bit of a favour and tested one, our smallest one, the 6,000 milliamp. And what did you find?
I found with the D20Q2 with a front and rear camera, we got 15 hours consistently of parking mode time. That was with the camera in motion detection, which is what you want, with a recharge time on the lower setting of under 2 hours, and we think that on the higher setting it would be around 60 minutes. So pretty quick.
So there you go, jump on board. Make sure if you've got a hybrid or an electric car that you grab a battery bank to go along with your dash cam. I think that just about covers us. We'll jump into a quick installation. See you soon.